Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to join the Roblox game Anime Adventures Discord server, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is you can open your Discord application or you can go to your web browser, then simply click on this plus icon here. Now you can find a join a server button at the bottom, simply click on it and search for Adventures and hit enter. Or you can simply click on this join server button and you can find this Anime Adventures Discord server, so where you can find the latest update from here. So just like this, now you have to do is follow their channel's update in your own server. So you have to simply click on follow and you have to select the server where you want to follow their channel, just like this. Then simply click on follow, then you will get the permission of all of these channels from here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure that you have created a demo channel where you can follow their updates or follow their server. So that's how you can just do it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.